Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. And it looks like a rather active weather pattern setting up for the Arklatex starting tomorrow and continuing through the weekend at least. Let's give you a look at, first of all, the disturbance here across the central Rockies. This is the feature here, which represents some colder air aloft, which is going to work its way across the middle of the country, bringing the Arklatex a threat for some thunderstorms as soon as tonight, and that threat will only increase for your Thursday. That's the first of two disturbances, by the way, on the way for the next several days. Temperatures tonight will be in the mid-50s across the Arklatex as the showers and thunderstorms begin to develop as we go through tomorrow. Again, periods of showers and thunderstorms that'll be most widespread during the afternoon and strongest during the afternoon. You can see where the storms go through in the afternoon, temperatures low to middle 70s, where we won't see as much as far as rain. The western edge of the area, temperatures up closer to 80. That includes 80 for the high in Longview, 79 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Mount Pleasant. Here's a look at the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center as far as our severe weather risk goes, and you can see it does include much of the lower Mississippi Valley, but as far as the Arklatex, basically the eastern edge of Texas, pretty much all of southwest Arkansas, and definitely all of northwest Louisiana will have that potential of seeing damaging winds, large hail, probably one of the biggest threats, as well as a possibility for a tornado or two, mainly over the eastern edge of the Arklatex tomorrow afternoon. If we have any tornadoes, that's going to be the time frame that will occur. So let's take you through the timing of things here with Futurecast. Starts you off during the evening hours this evening. Clouds already beginning to increase across the region. Expect a few showers and thunderstorms to develop across the area. Now, possible that a few of these may drop a little bit of small hail. SPC does have a marginal risk for severe weather tonight. Not too concerned about that. The bigger concern, as you'll see here in a second, will be tomorrow afternoon. So again, scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms on the way tonight. Going through the day tomorrow morning, basically just showers. Most of the thunderstorm activity shifts to the west, and then you can see things starting to develop early afternoon from noon to 2. Right along the Texas-Louisiana line, and if you extend it up north from DeQueen down to Shreveport, down to Center, that's the area right across the middle of the Arklatex where thunderstorms will begin to develop, and they could become severe by this time. Now, it definitely will be stronger as they move to the east. You can see the strongest activity to the east of the Arklatex here over southeast Arkansas, northeast Louisiana over by Monroe. But again, any of this activity here also could be strong to severe. Main focus shifts to the south and east during the evening. You can see by 8 p.m. still some showers and thunderstorms on the strong to severe side over the Sabine and Natchitoches parishes. And watch East Texas here. Could see some new development here. Deep East Texas into northwest Louisiana to the south of Shreveport late tomorrow evening. That activity should move out during the nighttime hours tomorrow night. And then we'll take a break. Lots of clouds for Friday. Could see a little bit of sunshine mixed in the afternoon. That may allow a pop-up shower or a thunder shower to develop, but nothing as far as severe weather anticipated for Friday. As we go into the outlook as far as hail, you can see the areas of pink here. This is what Futurecast indicates. You see the areas of pink. That's where the model indicates that we could see upwards, hail is possible, but it's going to be relatively small, okay? What I wanted to point out to you is on this graphic, this is something new that Futurecast is now gives us the ability to show. Heading into the afternoon, notice we start to see the darker purples, blacks, and grays here. When we get to the grays, that's where the model indicates some quarter-sized hail will be possible, and the bigger those areas of gray, the bigger the hail. We could be looking at some golf balls, especially eastern sections of the area. So you can see in the afternoon, the main threat will shift more towards the east late in the afternoon and then to the southeast during the mid-evening hours, and then we'll see that hail threat wane going through the rest of the nighttime hours tomorrow night. Now, then we'll take a break Friday, as I mentioned. Then Saturday, round 2 comes. You can see a few showers and thunderstorms approaching the area late Friday night into Saturday morning. Kind of doubtful this will become severe, but notice we'll see stronger activity work its way into the northern sections of the area late Saturday morning into the afternoon hours. It looks like the main focus, if this were to verify, will be across the northwest half of the area, and then we'll see things begin to shift to the south as we go through Saturday night into Sunday morning, and we may not be done. Another round of thunderstorms could be possible for a Sunday as well. Severe weather possible for Saturday. Timing still, again, not set in stone here. Can't, like we just did with tomorrow's outlook, can't do that so far. As the models are still quite a bit of discrepancies on timing and intensity as far as this activity. So that's one reason why And we do not yet have a severe weather outlook for Sunday and this weekend from the Storm Prediction Center. A lot of uncertainties yet with this energy coming through this weekend. Another concern will be rain, as models indicating good solid 2, 3, maybe even 4-inch amounts possible across parts of the Arklatex here from now through basically Monday, as we'll see that chance of rain continue into Monday, and then we'll dry out and heat up for the middle part of next week, as you'll see in the 7-day forecast right now. 7-day forecast for Shreveport showing a mid to upper 70s through the weekend. And notice as the rain ends, we see the sunshine return, we heat up, as we're looking at highs in the mid-80s by the middle part of next week. Nighttime lows in the week ahead will stay in the 50s and 60s. Again, in case you are new, just wondering what those high-low mods mean, basically that's how weather is going to impact your area. If you're doing something outside, severe weather, whenever you see high, that's when we think we have a shot for some severe weather. If it's really high chance for severe weather, that will be red, and it will say weather ready day. We save those for 1 or 2 times a year when we have bigger severe weather events. So again, severe weather possible Thursday and again Saturday. That'll go for Texarkana as well, as you're looking at 73 tomorrow, 77 Friday, mid-70s for the weekend, and you'll also heat up to the 80s as some sunshine returns for Tuesday and Wednesday. So again, still no changes. Still looking at 2 severe weather threats here. One tomorrow with large hail, probably the biggest concern. Wind also a concern. Tornado or 2 will be possible eastern half the area tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then we'll see another round or 2 of strong thunderstorms as we go through the weekend.